Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular kitchen gadgets, the Instant Vortex Plus and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or simply looking for a convenient way to prepare delicious meals, this video will help you make an informed decision. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Both the Instant Vortex Plus and the Gourmia air fryer oven offer versatile cooking options. The Instant Vortex Plus provides 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. On the other hand, the Gourmia air fryer oven delivers an impressive 12 one-touch digital presets, enabling you to cook a wide range of dishes from French fries to seafood. Both products offer great functionality for all your cooking needs. When it comes to cooking performance, the Instant Vortex Plus stands out with its even crisp technology. This advanced feature ensures a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The Gourmia air fryer oven, on the other hand, uses fat removal technology to eliminate up to 90% of fat from your dishes. Both products provide healthier cooking options without compromising on taste. In terms of convenience, both the Instant Vortex Plus and the Gourmia air fryer oven offer great features. The Instant Vortex Plus comes with one-touch smart programs, allowing you to easily cook wings, veggies, potatoes, and more with just a touch. It also features fast preheating, little to no preheating time, and an easy-to-clean non-stick air fry basket and tray. The Gourmia air fryer oven offers dishwasher-safe accessories and a comprehensive warranty, making cleanup a breeze and giving you peace of mind. Let's talk about the price. The Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $169, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is available at $59. Considering the features and functionality offered by both products, the Gourmia air fryer oven provides excellent value for money. However, it's important to note that prices may vary based on promotions and availability in your region. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Instant Vortex Plus and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both products have their unique features and benefits, so it ultimately depends on your preferences and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.